All right, everybody, it is Eugene Mosley here with another Club Cash Fund video. This time I'm going to show you, I'm going to log in, I'm going to show you just what happened with me today. All right, now let me go over here to the sales. All right, today, I'm, of course, as I showed you here, I'm in the Pro Rotator, showing what fast track commissions and the pro commissions that I've gotten. So I've gotten 100 in the referral money for being in pro, and I made $140 so far in the fast track commission. So this thing is rocking and rolling, doing this thing. Let me go back here and show you just today. Today, of course, is the 24th, and as you see here, and I got first of all, one person that I signed up in the pro. They paid their money today, $50. And as you can see here, I got that today. I got another fast track commission. That was another $20 by being in pro. And I'd already gotten one here, $20 on the 22nd. So this is very important. I want you guys to understand what's going on. This thing rotates between everybody that's a pro member. So what happened when I got one on the 22nd, now I got another one 2 days later. So it was like 4 days between the last time I got fast track. You see here on the 19th, I got one, and I had got one before that. Actually, I got two on the 19th. Before that, I got one on the, wait a minute, 19th. Oh, no, that's the date it was sent. I'm sorry. The date that I got it one was here on the 14th. As you can see, on the 18th, 4 days later, I got another one. So I'm just looking at the pattern here of what's happening. So since the 18th, 19, 20, 122, yep, 4 days later, I got another one. And now it's gone down to 2 days. Between the 22nd and the 24th, I got another one. So it's the time frames are compressing. It was I getting one every 4 days. Now I'm getting them every 2 days. You guys, you got to understand what this means. If you get a $20 commission every 2 days, when you're going to get 15 commissions that month of $20, that is outstanding. You talking about making money. Just think if this thing it goes any further to where you're getting $20 every day. So now it's at the rate of $300 a month. So it could go even more to where you're getting $600 a month. And we're just talking about from the rotator. Now, when you consider this, you don't even have to sponsor somebody. As long as you're in the pro, you're going to still get those pro commissions coming to you. See? So when people don't have somebody, they didn't sponsor nobody. Well, if they just come in as a pro member, they're going to be picking up these pro rotator commissions over and over again because the Club Cash Fund is expanding. They're getting more members, so therefore we're going to get more of those commissions from the people that's on that fourth level. So that's outstanding. Now, another incentive I want you to understand, if you come in and join me on my team, what I'm doing for people is this. I have a free rotator. So people that don't have somebody on their team, what I'm going to do, I'm not taking any commissions on my link. All of these people are on my rotator link, and when somebody signs up, it's coming to them. So I'm going to get paid anyway. $20 going to go to them. $20 going to come on upline to me. So this is what I'm doing with my team. This is why I'm putting out videos. So when instead of me just taking that commission, I got people on here now that I want to help that don't have anybody, that haven't sponsored anybody. So, hey, let me put them in to help you guys. So you're going to be in that too if you join my team. You know, I encourage you to come into the pro because you're going to make them pro commissions. But just coming in for $100, we're going to still put you in the rotator. Okay? So that's what I want to share with you guys. This pro rotator thing is rocking and rolling, and you might as well take advantage of this free money that you're getting by being in Club Cash Fund. Now, that's all from me, guys. Talk to you later. This is Eugene Mosley. If you want to contact me, my number is 804-316-6817. Look forward to speaking with you. Catch y'all later.